So our pilot site is the island of La Réunion. It's a French island located in the Indian Ocean. And the main challenges that we face in the field of water governance are first the inequalities among in the geographical distribution of the water resource, with abundant resource in the east part of the island and very dry climate in the west part of the island, which can lead to conflict of water use in different economic sectors. The second challenge is the lack of expertise in, among the local authorities in water pricing policies. And the last challenge is that half of the population is not connected to a collective sanitation network. And so it leads to pollutions, groundwater and lagoon pollution. So in the InnWater project for La Réunion, we are going to develop modeling tools, evaluation tools. So the first one is a micro-simulation model. It enables local authorities to measure and to improve the socio-economic performance of water pricing policies. The second tool is a macroeconomic model. It's called a computable general equilibrium model. And this model includes the water sector, but more generally, it includes all the dimensions of the wafer nexus. And the idea is to measure the impacts, the macroeconomic impact of water policies. And finally, we also want to elaborate a partnership with stakeholders, with local stakeholders. The aim is to bring together researchers and stakeholders to work on public policies to improve water governance.
The work on the digital tools, namely the computable general equilibrium model and the micro simulation model is ongoing. We already built a prototype for the micro simulation model, and we already organized the two meetings with the stakeholders. And during these meetings, we could work on potential problems related to governance issues in Réunion Island. And more particularly, through our discussions with the stakeholders, we highlighted several sources of pollutions that have an impact on the lagoon of La Réunion. And especially nitrates and phosphates pollutions related to the use of non-collective sanitation systems. And then these discussions with stakeholders led us to implement research actions that aims to reveal the population's willingness to pay for the preservation of the lagoon.